Hi there. This is our third video of this course on basics of Vue.js. In our last video, we have seen how we can set up the environment for our Vue.js app. We have learned about Vue CLI. We have used Vue CLI for creating our first Vue app, and we have seen the template that has been created by Vue CLI. Now in this video, we'll be creating our first Vue app. So we'll be going through the same template. We'll be going through all of its files. We'll see how we can run the application, and as well as we will try to alter the application as per our need for creating our first Vue.js app. So let me take you to the code editor to see the files that has been created in the Vue.js template. So this is our Vue.js app that we have created last time. And over here, we have seen most of the files that has been created. Now we will see how we can run this app. So we'll go to package.json, and over here, we are able to see this serve script. So for running this app, we can write down in our terminal npm run serve, and it will start building this Vue.js app for us and showing it to our browser. Now, as you can see, our app is available to this URL. So I'll go to my browser. In a new tab, I'll open this. And this is the template app that has been provided to us by Vue CLI. Now, how does this data, which is present over here, is appearing? So we will go to our code editor, and over here, I'll show you this source folder because this is the main folder from where most of our Vue.js app is working. And this is the main folder on which we'll be working from now on. So this main.js file is the main file, which is the root component, or I would say the entry point for our Vue.js app. And over here, if you can see, we have imported this create app from our Vue framework. And we have imported this app, which has been created over here. And now we are just mounting this app to this ID app, which has been mentioned over here. So it means we are connecting this with this ID app. But what does this ID app means? So for understanding this, we'll go to our public folder. And as we know that our Vue provides us a single page application, it means that this application will have a single HTML page, which is this page present inside the public folder. And if we go to this page, we'll be able to see that at line number 14, we have a division with ID app. So it means in our main.js app, we are connecting our app component to this app division. And all the things, all the components that we'll be writing in our Vue will be presenting over here inside this div. We'll never change anything else in this HTML page, and we'll never touch this file. We might change something inside the head tag, but we'll never touch it throughout our lifecycle. Our main work will happen inside the source folder itself. Let's just see that what does this .vue files means. So this .vue files is used to create Vue components for your Vue application. Each component represents to a small section of UI that is part of your application. So over here, this app.vue is a root component. And in this component, you can see you have template, script, and CSS. So template over here provides the HTML for your application. Script provides the logic for your application, and style provides the styling for your application. Now let's just see what is happening over here. So if we expand this template tag, we can see that we are loading this image from the assets. So in assets folder, we have this image, logo.png, and we are loading this image over here. And that's why this Vue image is appearing over here. If I comment this and save, the app has been rebuilt, and you can see no image is available over there. I'll put this back. Now this hello world, it is a component which has been defined over here, and we are importing this component. So how we are importing it? In our script tag, you can see we have defined this import for importing the hello world component from this path. And over here, we are exporting these values so that they can be used inside our template. So in script tag, you write the logic for the template. So over here, you can see we have defined the name of the component, which is app, as you can see from the name of the file itself. And then inside the component, we have named the hello world component over here. Why? Because this is the component we have imported, and we are passing this to our template so that it can be used over there. And similarly, we have the style, which contains all of this, and providing this style to our document. Like, let's say, if I change this color to background color, then instead of having this color for the text, we'll have this color for the background. This is how the style is impacting our component. Now let's just go to this hello world once and see what is happening over there. So we go to this hello world component. It has the same anatomy over here also. We have a template, a script, and a style. And it is providing all of this data to our component. As you can see, it is defined over here. So for now, what we can do, we can actually delete both of these folders because we won't be using them for now. About components, so we'll be definitely creating components in this course, but not right now. We'll look into them thoroughly later on. So I'll delete both of the folders. And then over here, I'll remove this. I'll remove the import and I'll remove the component from here. And I don't need any kind of style for this app. So I'll remove that too. And we want to remove the logo also because we have deleted the assets folder. So we'll remove it. And we'll just add a p tag over here. With name my first app. And if we see it, you can see it is showing my first app. So here we have started creating our first Vue app. And in our next video, we'll see how we can pass on data from our view to this template so that it can be appeared on our screen. Hope you have liked the video. See you in next video.